If you keep blowing small meme coin accounts, it's probably not because like the market is against you in a way. It's usually because of how you treat a small account. Um, Most people with like 50 to 100, like even $500 trade completely differently than they would if they had, I don't know, 10,000 per se. They take bigger risks, they, move stops, they double position size if, they're losing or if they're winning or if they see more potential. But they think it's small anyway because if they lose it, or they lost 1% of their account. The mindset is what kills it basically. Small account doesn't blow up because of one trade, it blows up because of pressure. When your account is small, you feel like you need growth. You see people posting 2x for 3x, 5x, 20,000, 200 soul, whatever screenshots, and then you start sizing bigger so you could be getting those types of returns. You're risking 20% while those guys are risking 2 to 3%. Sometimes you're risking 50% and you don't even really know it until you're toast and it's a rug pull and whatever happened. And then comes the real problem, and that's revenge trading. And that is the biggest loss that traders really don't even know. People think that it's a strategy. People think that it's what you're buying into. People think that it's how you're trading and you got to have this perfect setup and you got to have this bot and you got to have these insider groups. No. When you're up, you got to stop. Or when you're down, you got to stop, right? You lose 30% on one trade. Now you want to make it back immediately. So you jump into the next coin without waiting. No real setup, no patience, just like emotion. That second trade usually makes it worse. Another reason small accounts get blown is over trading. When your account is small, you feel like you need more trades to grow it, but more trades usually means more mistakes. Small accounts actually require the most discipline, genuinely, not aggression. Here's something that most people don't really think about. If you can't grow an account to like $100 slowly with control, you won't magically handle $1,000 or $10,000 any better. These habits stay the same. The only difference is the damage becomes way bigger. If you treat a $100 account like it's disposable, in a way, you're building really, really bad habit. If you treat it like it matters, you can actually build trading control in a way. So what should you actually do is the question. First off, please lower your risk. Risking huge percentages, cut it down, even if it means slower growth. Survival is more important than speed. Please, I learned that from somebody. Second, set a daily loss limit in your mind, on paper. If you could do it on your account somehow, anything. When you hit it, stop. Don't negotiate with yourself, right? Everybody wants to be this degenerate trader or this meme coin trader, this meme coin god. That is how you actually end up being exit liquidity. Third, stop trying to double your account in one day. Please, meme coins move fast. Yes, but the traders who last in the ones protect their capital first. Blowing small accounts isn't bad luck. It's usually just like oversizing emotional damage, emotional decisions, no clear stop for the day. Fix those 4 things and your account instantly has a way better chance of surviving. I do have a free Discord where I teach people discipline because nobody else is actually doing it, and that's the main thing that people are having trouble by. It's a free Discord where you can learn from others compared to buying into a Telegram group which gives out God 10x callouts, and that's just not going to go right, like, at all. But yeah.